Alright, so after 7 days here in Paros, the wind finally dropped down a bit. It's still around 15 knots, but the last few days it was blowing about 30 most days. So today we're moving on. This is the route. We have about 5 hours, 27 nautical miles, and we're going to Iraklia. And then let's see the forecast for today. So we are at the blue dot there, and then Iraklia is just here. I'm gonna put the sign here so we know how it's gonna look like during the day. So this is now it's 9 o'clock in the morning, noontime, 3 p.m. the wind is dropping, and then at night it's dropping completely. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna have the wind in our back for half of the time, and then once we start going east, we're gonna use the wind and hopefully open the sails. And just some information about the spot itself. So Iraklia. First of all, you can see it's pretty protected for the winds of today, and then tomorrow it's pretty good. The only thing through the reviews I'm seeing that it's pretty small, and you need to not sure I would have enough space to drop the anchor in the middle. Let's see it again here. So they're saying it's pretty small. You can see it's actually pretty small. I would hope to drop the anchor just in the middle, and that I won't have to tie the boat also with the stern to the rocks. And then just plan B would be just to go inside the port, and if that won't work, I could always this is where I plan to go, this one, and then I could go here also. It's just around the corner and it's pretty big. And let's see just the rating for this one. It's not as good, but you see it's also quite protected, so that's the plan A and B. I'm gonna meet today a couple of friends whom are sailing in the area, and then we set to meet either in Iraklia or in this island, Skinosa. And if we're gonna meet here, that's gonna be the bay we're gonna meet in. And then just to check this one just in case. So also it's got pretty good protecting rate. And then yeah, all in all it's pretty big and looks good. In case we're gonna need to move from Iraklia to Skinosa, it's gonna be, let's just make the point here, and then you can see on the left side it's 5.2 nautical miles, the distance between the 2 points, so that's 1 more hour about. Yeah, that's it. Before I go, I need gas, and that's it. So I'm gonna go down now, get some gas, maybe get some coffee, and then we go. That's it, let's go. We're gonna go through a passage now that it's gonna be as shallow as 3.5 meters, and around it it's 2. It's pretty narrow, but I mean the wind is pushing us down, and all in all the boat is keeping its course pretty good. Just stay alert and stay on the course.